The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is a cutting-edge smartphone that combines innovative technology with sleek design. To enhance your experience with this device, a range of accessories are available. From protective cases and screen protectors to stylish covers and functional holders, these accessories can help you get the most out of your Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Whether you're looking for durability, style, or convenience, there's an accessory to suit your needs. In this guide, we'll explore the top accessories for the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, helping you discover the perfect companions for your new device. On number 1 is TORRAS magnetic stand case for Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Introducing the TORRAS stand series case for Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, the ultimate accessory for your device. This innovative case combines style, protection, and functionality, offering a hands-free experience with its slim, flat-plate stand. Enjoy! Uninterrupted wireless charging with a built-in magnetic feature, 60% stronger than other solutions. MIL-grade certified protection with X-Shock air cushioning and resilient TPU material. Adjustable stand for multi-angle viewing, certified by 30000+ fold tests. Durable high-carbon steel hinges for long-lasting use. Slim, non-bulky design with precise hinge placement for seamless operation. Experience the perfect blend of protection, convenience, and style with the TORRAS P Stand Series case for your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL.
Next up is Fitbit Charge 6 Fitness Tracker. Elevate your fitness routine with comprehensive tracking features including heart rate on equipment via Bluetooth, over 40 exercise modes, built-in GPS, active zone minutes, daily readiness score, 24/7 heart rate monitoring, all-day activity tracking, cardio fitness level, automatic exercise tracking, workout intensity map, and reminders to move. Stay in touch and manage your life with ease. Features include YouTube music controls, Google Maps, Google Wallet, call, and text notifications, smartphone app notifications, and a vibrant color touchscreen with customizable clock faces, timer, and stopwatch. Benefit from our most accurate heart rate monitoring yet, including ECG and irregular heart rhythm notifications, oxygen saturation, SPO2, monitoring, resting heart rate, and high/low heart rate notifications for comprehensive health tracking. Enjoy up to 7 days of battery life and water resistance up to 50 meters, ensuring you can rely on your tracker through all your activities. Monitor your stress levels with the Stress Management Score, track your sleep with the Nightly Sleep Score, and benefit from on-wrist mindfulness sessions, smart wake alarm, and sleep and do not disturb modes. Includes a 6-month premium membership offering deeper insights, exclusive workouts, mindfulness sessions, and more. Fitbit Charge 6 Tracker with both small and large straps. Small, 140mm to 180mm, large, 180mm to 220mm, a charger compatible with Fitbit Charge 5, not compatible with other models. Next up is Scosche BT-FM5 Bluetooth hands-free car kit. Upgrade your driving soundtrack with this digital FM transmitter, which lets you stream music wirelessly to your vehicle's FM stereo, delivering exceptional sound quality and enhancing your in-car entertainment. Experience seamless hands-free calling, thanks to advanced Bluetooth technology. Make and receive calls directly from your smartphone without taking your hands off the wheel, ensuring safer driving. Easy to use, just plug the transmitter into your vehicle's 12 volts USB charging port. Enjoy continuous music streaming and entertainment throughout your journey. Keep your devices charged with dual 12 watts USB-A ports, and manage all transmitter functions, volume adjustment, play/pause, call handling, and voice commands for Siri and Google Voice, from a single, convenient device. Versatile and user-friendly, this transmitter is Anker Nano Power Bank. Benefit from rapid charging with dual USB-C ports featuring Power IQ 3.0 technology, offering a robust 22.5 watts output for fast and efficient power delivery. Enjoy a clutter-free experience with a foldable USB-C connector that helps prevent cable tangles and protects the connector during transport. Designed for ultimate convenience, this power bank is compact and stylish, easily fitting into your pocket or purse for on-the-go charging. Equipped with a 5,000 mAh capacity, this power bank ensures you stay powered throughout the day, keeping your devices charged during travel or daily use. The package includes the Anker Nano Power Bank, 22.5 watts, built-in USB-C connector, a 2 feet, 0.6 meters USB-C to USB-C cable, a welcome guide, a user manual, and a 24-month worry-free warranty, along with responsive customer service. Next up is COOYA USB-C to 3.5mm audio jack. Multifunction USB-C to headphone jack, This adapter supports essential controls such as play/pause music, volume plus/ and answer/end/reject calls. It allows you to use 3.5mm wired headphones with Type-C devices that lack a headphone jack. For some USB-C devices, you may need to adjust settings greater than sound greater than input/output greater than select USB, for the adapter to function properly. Hi-Fi sound quality. Equipped with an advanced DAC smart chip, this adapter delivers high-definition audio and effective noise reduction. It provides premium sound performance when connecting Type-C smartphones and tablets to 3.5mm audio devices like headphones, earbuds, car audio systems, and hi-fi systems. Note: this adapter is not suitable for high-impedance professional-grade headphones over 200 ohms. Durable and convenient design. The adapter features a robust braided outer layer for flexibility and durability, preventing tangles and ensuring long-lasting use. Its premium hard shell protects against scratches and rust. The included handy carrying case makes storage easy and convenient. What you get: the package includes the COOYA USB-C to 3.5mm female adapter with a braided stereo cable and a handy carrying case. It's backed by a 30-day satisfaction guarantee and lifetime-friendly customer service. For any issues or concerns, please contact us for assistance. Next up is Anker Portable Charger, Power Bank, 10,000 mAh. Experience efficient charging with up to 12 watts output, thanks to Anker's Power IQ and Voltage Boost technologies. The trickle charge mode is perfect for smaller devices like Bluetooth earpieces and fitness bands, ensuring all your gadgets stay powered throughout the day. Anker's Multi-Protect safety system provides comprehensive protection against overcharging, short circuits, and overheating. Enjoy a safe and reliable charging experience with built-in temperature control. Designed for durability, the PowerCore Slim 10,000 features superior scratch resistance and rugged construction. This portable charger is built to withstand any adventure, making it a dependable companion for all your travels. The ultra-thin 10,000 mAh PowerCore Slim 10,000 fits easily into your pocket and delivers 2.25 full charges for an iPhone 12 or 1.6 charges for a Galaxy S20. Its compact design offers a perfect balance of portability and power, keeping your devices energized on the go. The package includes the PowerCore Slim 10,000 portable charger, a micro USB cable for charging the power bank, USB-C and Lightning cables not included, a welcome guide, an 18-month warranty, and access to friendly customer service. Next up is 44.9-inch selfie stick with reinforced tripod. Elevate your photo and video quality with 2 detachable and dimmable fill lights. Choose from 3 color modes: white, soft, and warm light, with 2 brightness levels per mode, providing a total of 6 lighting options. These versatile lights offer broad illumination, ideal for any setting, making them perfect for night photography, Zoom meetings, and TikTok videos. Extendable from 8.26 inches to 44.9 inches, longer than most selfie sticks, this model features a 180 degrees neck rotation and 360 degrees head rotation, helping you capture the perfect angle, whether it's a sweeping landscape or a family photo. Featuring a built-in umbrella tripod structure, this selfie stick quickly converts into a stable tripod. The weighted base enhances stability, and the 7-section telescopic pole adjusts from a compact tabletop tripod to a full-height floor stand. Enjoy the convenience of capturing full-body shots without holding the stick. Compact and lightweight, 8.26 inches and 7.5 ounces, this selfie stick fits easily in most purses or backpacks. Its elegant finish and ergonomic handle make it a stylish and practical travel companion. It also makes an ideal gift for your loved ones. The remote control, embedded in the handle, features an anti-loss design and a power switch that conserves battery life. With a replaceable lithium battery supporting up to 10,000 selfies, this selfie stick is perfect for capturing cherished moments with family and friends on your travels. Next up is iSpore Phone Cleaning Kit. Here's a summary of the iSpore Electronic Cleaning Kit. 1 screen cleaner spray for electronic devices, 1 clean thin tip, 20 cleaning swabs, 8 wipes, 5 soft bristle brushes, 2 durable microfiber cleaning cloths, 2 soft brushes, 1 air blower, 1 storage box. Designed for cleaning various electronic devices including AirPods, AirPods chargers, phone screens, computers, keyboards, and charging ports. Suitable for cleaning headphone ports, cell phone screens, and iPad charging ports. This is the iSpore Electronic Cleaning Kit, which includes multiple tools for effective dust and debris removal from electronic devices. Helps in maintaining the cleanliness and extending the service life of your devices by removing dust, sand, dirt, and other particles. Ideal for use with iPhone charging ports, USB-C, Lightning, iPhone speakers, Bluetooth earbuds, and other similar devices. iSpore offers a full refund and return service. For any issues or queries, you can email their customer support for assistance. This comprehensive kit provides a variety of tools to keep your electronic devices clean and functioning well. Next up is Lamicall motorcycle phone mount. Here's a summary of the bike phone mount's features. Equipped with silicone pads to prevent scratches and reduce vibration, ensuring your phone stays secure and protected during rides. Grips each corner of the phone tightly and features a locking mechanism on the back of the clamp to keep your phone firmly attached, even on rough terrain. Includes a rotating ball for easy adjustment, allowing you to set your phone's viewing angle to horizontal or vertical, ideal for navigating, answering calls, or playing music while riding. Fits phones ranging from 4.7 to 6.8 inches, with a maximum thickness of 15 mm, including cases. Compatible with models like iPhone 15 series, iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 13 Pro Max, Galaxy S10 Plus, Note 9, and more. Note: larger phones like Galaxy S21 Ultra and S22 Ultra with cases may not fit. Tool-free installation with one-hand operation. Comes with 4 extra silicone pads to ensure a snug fit on handlebars with diameters ranging from 0.59 to 1.57 inches, 15 to 40 mm. Suitable for bicycles, motorcycles, strollers, shopping carts, electric scooters, and indoor equipment. This bike phone mount is designed to securely hold your phone in place, offering convenience and safety across various types of rides. Next up is Spigen USB-C car charger 75 watts dual USB super fast charge. Here's a summary of the key features for the Spigen ArcStation 75 watts dual port USB-C car charger. 75 watts, with ports providing up to 45 watts and 30 watts respectively. Ideal for charging devices like the MacBook Air, iPad Pro, and iPad Air at full speed. Supports super fast charging 2.0 for Galaxy S series, S23, S23 Ultra, S22, S21, etc., Z Fold and Z Flip series, and Pixel series. Suitable for charging iPhone 15 series, iPhone 14/13/12 series, and Steam Deck. Handles a wide range of devices from mobile phones to laptops, providing fast charging for many popular models. Small and designed to fit seamlessly into your car's dashboard while maintaining access to other controls. Equipped with intelligent safety and quantum boost technology for reliable, secure charging. The package includes the car charger, a manual, and a thank you card. Note that a cable is not included. This car charger is a powerful and versatile solution for keeping your devices charged on the go, with support for a variety of fast charging standards and devices. Next up is Scosche BoomCan MS Portable Magnetic True Wireless Bluetooth Speaker. This speaker attaches magnetically to Apple MagSafe models iPhone 12 and later or any metal surface. It also works non-magnetically with iPhone models 8 to 11, Android phones, or any Bluetooth-enabled device. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, the speaker offers a fast connection and low latency performance from up to 30 feet. You can pair 2 BoomCan MS speakers for true wireless stereo sound. Dynamic frequency response range, 60 Hz 15 kHz. Enjoy up to 5 hours of playtime per charge. The speaker fully charges in just 1.5 hours via the USB-C charging port. Measuring just 2.38 inches in diameter and 1.21 inches tall, and weighing only 3 ounces, this compact speaker is easy to carry in a backpack, computer bag, or briefcase. It can also be used as a convenient kickstand for your iPhone. Rated IP67 for waterproof and dustproof protection. Backed by Scosche's lifetime tech support and a 1-year warranty. The package includes the BoomCan speaker and a 3 feet USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Next up is 3-in-1 wireless charging station by Filinta. This Samsung charging station features a unique digital clock with customizable 12 24-hour formats and 4 adjustable brightness levels. Easily tailor the brightness to ensure you can check the time without disrupting your sleep. The 3-in-1 charging station combines a clock with a charger, reducing clutter by eliminating excess cables and desktop clocks. Charge multiple devices simultaneously while keeping an eye on the time, all without unlocking your phone. Made from fire-resistant materials, this wireless charger includes heat dissipation holes for cooling and features over-voltage protection, overcurrent protection, overload protection, and foreign object detection to ensure safe charging. Next up is Lamicall 2024 Car Vent Phone Holder. The Lamicall car phone holder features an innovative 4-lock protection system, providing superior stability on both vertical and horizontal air vents. It stays firmly in place even during sharp turns or bumpy roads. Note: hook extension range 10 mm to 29 mm, compatible with vent blades up to 4.2 mm thick, not suitable for round vents. Designed with upgraded arms and a fully adjustable foot, this car vent phone mount accommodates thicker cases, including wallet and battery cases. The ultra-thick silicone back layer ensures your device remains scratch-free. The holder's soft silicone panel is anti-wear, protecting your phone's back. Made from PC plus ABS material, it withstands extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, offering durability and heat resistance. This phone holder provides a fully rotative 360-degree design, allowing you to adjust to the perfect viewing angle for navigation, playlist changes, calls, and more. Next up is his Anker wireless charger with power adapter. Simply place your phone or AirPods on the center of the pad, and PowerWave will handle the rest. Anti-slip silicone rings on both the top and bottom keep your device perfectly aligned, even during vibrations. PowerWave automatically adjusts between 5 watts, 7.5 watts, 10 watts, and 15 watts charging modes based on your device's needs, providing optimized wireless charging for a wide range of devices. The PowerWave 2 pad works with nearly all Qi-enabled devices, including iPhone 11, Samsung Galaxy S10, Sony Xperia XZ3, Pixel 4, and AirPods wireless charging cases. The package includes the PowerWave 2 pad, a power adapter with a 5 feet power cord, a welcome guide, an 18-month worry-free warranty, and responsive customer service. Next up is UGREEN 100 watts USB-C to USB-C cable, 90. The UGREEN USB-C to USB-C cable features a 90-degree L-shaped connector, offering enhanced comfort for gaming, video watching, or reading while charging from your couch or bed. Max phone case thickness, 0.08 inches. Recharge your iPhone 15 to 60% in just 30 minutes. The cable supports rapid charging with up to 100 watts power delivery and data transfer speeds of up to 480 megabits per second. Note: video output and monitor extension are not supported. This 100 watts USB-C to USB-C cable is compatible with a wide range of devices, including laptops, e.g., MacBook Pro 2022, tablets, smartphones, e.g., iPhone 15, 15 Plus/15 Pro, Samsung S24/S23, and wireless Bluetooth headphones. Experience fast data transfer speeds of up to 480 megabits per second with this USB-C cable. Constructed with a durable nylon braid, aluminum housing, high-purity copper wire, and triple shielding, this USB-C cable is built to provide long-lasting, reliable performance.